Cabbage with chunky veggies and smoked Berkshire pork sausage. An easy one-pot meal, powerful, perfect for any busy home. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika from Mika's Tiny Kitchen.com. Ready? Quarter and core 1 head of Savoy cabbage. Place in a large bowl and set aside. Peel the potatoes. Remove any brown spot and cut them in half. I suggest white potatoes for texture and long cooking, but you can use Yukon Gold as well. Peel and cut the onion into pieces as I show here. Peel the large carrot, cut it in half, then half it again, lengthwise as shown. Then cut each piece in thirds, making 3-inch long chunks. Cut the mushrooms in half and trim the bottom. I am using bunashimeji mushrooms, but white buttons would be tasty too. Place in the bowl. Mince the parsley for garnishing and set aside separately. In a 5-quart stock pot, layer your veggies. Cabbage quarters first, potatoes, then carrot. The onions, and break up the mushrooms. Place the sausages on top. By the way, kielbasa would be delicious too. Add the bay leaves and the vegetable bouillon. Pour in 8 cups of water. Cover and bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Note, this recipe is cooked in layers and doesn't get stirred during cooking. After 5 minutes, taste and adjust the salt and pepper if needed. Set heat to a low simmer. Cover and cook for 25 minutes more. Adjust salt and pepper to taste and remove from the heat. In a shallow bowl, serve 1/4 of the cabbage. A couple pieces of carrot. Some onion. Potatoes, some mushrooms. Along with 2 sausages and 2/3 cup of piping hot broth. Give each serving a twist or 2 of fresh black pepper. Garnish with parsley. White potatoes in a tasty broth. Yummy! This is the Japanese version of easy potofu, delicious cabbage and Berkshire pork sausage with a light and well-seasoned broth. Very filling too. Great food, great life. I hope you try it soon and thanks for watching my video.